is Nihal Gupta, and I belong from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. So I completed my 10th in 2014 with around 92.5%, and 12th with 91.25%. But because of some circumstances, like I was unable to do BTech. So it was some kind of financial issues as well as family problems. So after completing my graduation, that is BSc from Kanpur University. So I thought why not to pursue something like some professional certificates, like in full stack development, data science, so which would benefit me. Yeah, I've seen many institutes in Google. So I thought I have gone through Digital. Their reviews were also very good, and I talked to them. So from there, in 7 June 2021, I joined Digital, and after 2 months I got placed. It was my front end batch. So after giving an interview, I was finally placed. I got around 5.9. Actually, it was my first interview of my life, so I cracked it. It was a very good journey, discussing the assignments with teachers, talking with teachers, having fun with. I'm most thankful to all the Digital team. The best thing was that it was income sharing agreement. You don't need to pay a lump amount in one go. So you have to invest some minimal amount. There's also promises that if you place around 3.5 or 5 lakh, then you have to pay the rest of the amount, or else your minimal amount would also be you guys would refund that. Number of hours totally depend on the candidate. It's not a cup of tea for all, and it's not a very burdensome task for all. So it depends on candidate to candidate. I haven't given around more than 2 hours per day. I haven't given, excluding the classes. Main thing is that you should be honest to yourself. What the mentor is teaching, just go through that, and go through the other documentations like in W3 schools or MDN documents. So it would be very beneficial for you. And other thing is that what you can do is complete your own projects. The assignments given by the Digital are not so burdensome. You invest your whole day, so you're left with a lot of hours really. So what you can do is you can go with your own projects. So it would help you in a long run, as well as revise everything properly. The teachers, the mentors have told you. So it's enough. It's not a very cumbersome task to get into the front end or full stack job. But yeah, if you get into the company, so there is a lot of burden. I have seen that. So I want to suggest to every coders that at the starting it would be very difficult. It would be very daunting to you. But as the time passes, everything would be easy. So, and the other thing is that the whole structure which is provided by the Digital team is best. And what you need to do is that complete the assignments on time, as well as you can the assignments, the theory which the teacher has told you, just revise that theory, as well as search other things in MDN and W3 schools. It would be very useful to you, as well as complete several assignments, several projects by your own. It would be very beneficial for your folio also.